Hi, in this video, I will show you how to resize taskbar icon in Windows 10. If you find that the default size of taskbar icons is too small or too large, then you can easily change it to suit your preferences. To change the size of taskbar icon in Windows 10, right-click on any empty space on the taskbar. Now click on Taskbar Settings option. Now select Taskbar from the left-hand panel. Here you will see different options related to taskbar appearance. Now click on the Use Small Taskbar button switch to use small size icons. As you can see, taskbar icons have become smaller in size. If you turn off this option, the taskbar icons will revert to its original large size. So that's how to make icons smaller or larger in Windows 10 taskbar. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching.